Hello guys, hope all you are doing well. In this video, I will teach you how to implement a Google Admob rewards ad in our Android application. Rewards ad are the best ad format to increase earning in our application. Rewards ad can be shown in those conditions where we have some premium content in our application and we don't want to give this premium content for free. But by showing rewards ad, we can give access to this premium content. This will benefit both the user and the developer. Okay, let's learn how to implement rewards ad in our Android application. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel by clicking on this subscribe button and click on this notification icon to get notification about the latest video. I upload video related to Android development, coding, etc. Open Interstitial, create a new project or open the project. Here I have already implemented a Google Admob in our application. If you don't know how to implement Google Admob in our application, I have already made that video. Let's look into build ad cradle. I have already added a dependency for Admob ads and I have already declared app ID in Android main-based file. Here it is, and I have already declared permission for application. Okay, here is our Java file. We have one activity called main activity, and here is our layout file which is called activity main. Let's look into this. Okay, here we have one button and one text view. I will align this button to center and give ID as button. I will give this code link in description below, and I have one text view which ID is content TV and text is the content is log. Here what we are going to do is, at first we are loading the reward ad, and after clicking this button we are showing that reward ad. After showing that reward ad, when user get reward some amount, we are going to unlock this content. This is for demo purpose. If you have production application or other type of application, you can implement in other ways. Let's look into our main activity. Here I have already declared ad unit ID for reward ad. This is test ad unit ID. If you have production app or real app, go to Admob dashboard and create one reward ad, then copy and paste here. Then I have declared one variable called reward ad, reward ad. I have declared this tag, and I have declared one button and one text view. Then inside on create, we have initialized Admob SDK by calling mobileads.initialize. Then I have created one function called load rewards ads. Here we are going to load the reward ads, and I have already initialized this button also. I have initialized text view by find view by id add.id.content.tv, which is this is, and for button I have declared find view by id add.id.button, and I have already set a click listener for that button also. Here what we are going to do is, here I have already said on click this button we are going to show reward ad, and I have already created one function to show reward ad also. Inside this we are going to write a code to show reward ad and to load reward ad. Okay, now let's load our reward ad. To load reward ad, we need one ad request variable. Let's create that. Then to load reward ads, we need to write reward ad dot load. Here we need to pass context. Then we need to pass ad unit ID, reward ad unit ID. I have already declared that, and we need to pass ad request variable. Then we need to pass reward ad callback. Reward ad callback. Here we have two methods which we need. This callback will notify that if ad is failed to load, this will called, and if ad is loaded, this will called. If ad is failed to load, let's declare our this rewarded variable to null. M rewarded is called null. If add is loaded, let's assign this rewarded to our variable M rewarded is equal to rewarded. Then we can add rewarded full screen content callback also to track our rewards. Let's do that. Rewarded dot set full screen content callback, new full screen content callback. Here we have 5 methods. Let's implement all of them. You can view all of them. For now we need on-add dismiss full screen content. If we need more rewards after showing one, then we can load rewards here also. Okay, you can view this function also. We don't need this here. Okay, let's go to show rewards here. Inside show rewards here, what we're going to do is we'll check our this variable. If it is null, then our reward is not ready. If it is not null, then we are going to show rewards. Okay, let's do that. Let's check if reward is null or not. If M rewarded is not equals to null, we are going to show our rewards here. M rewards dot show. Here we are passing activity as main activity dot this, and we will pass reward listener. Let's pass that on user reward listener. Here we can track reward amount and reward type also by integer amount is equal to reward item dot get amount, and string type is equal to reward item dot get type. And after showing reward add successfully, now we are going to unlocking the content in our text view. Let's do that. M text view dot set text. Here we can write the content is unlocked, answer is 40. This is for demo purpose. I want to show here. At first answer is hidden, and after showing rewarded, answer is show. You can implement this in your own ways also. Okay, this will show our rewards here. If rewarded is null, then we'll show one toast message, else toast. Here we'll pass main activity dot this text is the reward add is not ready yet. Okay, this much. Okay, our last step is to call show rewards add inside on click. Okay, let's do that. Show rewards adds. Okay, I will describe this again. Here we have declared our mobile SDK. With this function, we are loading our rewards add. We have added this full screen content callback to track our reward add, and this function is used to show the reward add. And here we are going to unlocking something or giving rewards to user. Okay, let's run our application. Okay, our application is ready now. We have main activity. Here we have one button, and we have one text view. Here the content is locked, and let's click on show rewarded. Here the rewarded is not ready yet. We need to give some time to load this rewarded. Let's leave for some time. Okay, let's click on show rewarded. Here is our rewarded. And after this reward guaranteed, let's close this, and here it is. The content is unlocked. Answer is 40. Okay, by this way you can implement Google Admob rewards ad in your Android application using Java. If you find this video helpful, please click on the like button. If you have any query on this video or any Android topic, you can comment down below, and please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.